Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Khara. This is a unsweet Khara, like it. I cannot say spicy because I was using this Carom seeds. Carom seeds are very healthy for you, for your stomach, gut health. It is very healthy. Other than Carom seeds, I don't see anything healthy here. Like you can bake too, but uh, I'm going to try that next time. Try showing you that next time. This time I want to show the traditional method, deep frying it. So that's why the all-purpose flour and deep frying in the oil is not the good parts of here. But the carom seeds, to compensate that, probably we use the carom seeds to, which is good for the, I mean, when you're eating oily food, that's kind of helps with your gut health. Any stomach pains or anything, it is kind of digestion and everything, it helps. I took a 1/4 cup of water with warmed it for 20 seconds in the microwave, added the yeast, and I don't even have to mix it. I just put it outside for 12 to 15 minutes. And now I'm adding the crushed carom seeds and salt to the flour. Mix well. That's all you get. You don't have any other ingredients in here. It's that simple. Just the it's if you want to add, you can add white chili powder or something, but I don't do that. You see the bubble? It is ready. The yeast is working, like and you can add it to the flour mix and slowly mix it well with the spoon and make dough. Once the dough is ready, you need to make roll it into a flat bread, like big. It doesn't have to be exact shape, but make sure all the sides are evenly rolled. It doesn't have to be very thick. If the thinner it is the flakier and crunchier. I don't think anybody would like this chewy, gooey one. It need to be a little crunchy. This is used in a mixes, like like Chex mix or something like we make. This is one of the ingredient we add in there, or you can eat it as it is. So I left the dough. I made the dough and kept it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, it's ready. Now I'm going to roll it. So when I'm rolling it, I use little powder, like flour, to roll it so it won't stick to the pin or anything, my hand or anywhere. So once I roll it, I put flour on the top layer and cut it in the middle and put them on each other and cut again and put them on each other. So every layer, I make sure every layer has a flour in there, dry flour in there, so that way they don't stick to each other. That way you make pieces, all small pieces to fry. But the only bad part here is you're wasting a lot of oil. Oil gets all that flour, falls in the dry flour. It is hard to remove it. That's going to be in the oil, go into the oil, and the oil gets spoiled. You cannot reuse or anything. The oil is waste. You're wasting too much oil here. But this is one of the ingredient. You can eat it with tea or coffee, or you can add it in some mixes like Chex mix or something, like we make some other ingredients, add it to it, like several different ones, and this is one of them. It tastes really good when you add it like that. See, I rolled it. So I'm making sure it's dry on the top. Layers won't stick with each other. This is not the only way you can do it. It's up to you how you want to cut it. Main thing is how thick, how wide, or how thin, or it's up to you. Shape, everything is up to you how you want to do it. This is fermented very well with the yeast and everything. It's going to be crunchy and fluffy. If you make it too thick, it's hard to cook it. By thin one itself, takes a long time to fry. But the thicker it takes longer and longer. Otherwise, it's going to be chewy. Like, we don't want the chewy taste in the, like, just imagine like in Chex Mix, if you have something chewy, you don't really, that is not really pleasant. So the width of the strips or is up to you, how wide you want to do it. Sometimes I do it very thin, sometimes I do it thicker, like a very thin, like a little wider than a noodle. It tastes good in any way, like, it's up to you what you are making it for. You just want to eat it as it is with the tea or mix in something, or it's up to you how you want to look the shape, you want the shape to be. So now all of them are done, like, you just do it like this, make it like that way they separate. Just then I try taking it out flour as much as possible, but it is not always. You cannot take all of it here. So fry it until they are like brown and crunchy and ready, like, this light. Maybe if you are making very thin ones, slight little bigger than wider than a noodle, that's when you can take out little lighter color. But otherwise, this is the color you need to wait till this is completely fried. So try this next time, and when you make some Chex Mix or just to eat with the tea, this is good. Next time I'll make with in the oven, bake in the oven, and show you. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Keep subscribe my channel. Keep watching my videos. I'll be posting more and more like simple and easy recipes and sewing projects, everything. Thank you.